guys, how you guys doing? Well, here we are doing, as we said, a 2-month follow-up on Soft99 Wheel Dust Blocker. I did a video about 2 months ago. I posted on my wife's Beamer. I applied this to the rims, and today we're gonna do a follow-up, as I promised you, to show you how did it last. And you know, it came in with some wipes for you to wipe the rim, and then you spray this, then it hazes, then you buff it. It says they can last up to 1,000 kilometers. 1,000 kilometers will be, I don't know, 600 miles, somewhere in there. Let's suppose 500 to 600 miles. So pretty much, for some people, that's not a whole lot. That's like 2 weeks. On this car, because it's not driven as much, it was about 2 months. So I'm going to show you today how the rims look. The car has been washed several times, yes. But the last wash on this vehicle, it was done about 3 weeks ago. Easy, 3 weeks ago. So I want to show you how the rims look. You're going to be able to see once we run the pressure washer on it, see how much dirt comes out. I want to say this. To the way how the commercial comes out, it shows that nothing sticks to it. Well, dirt doesn't stick, but on the brake dust side, I don't think it did a whole lot of difference. That's my opinion. For the price, I don't think it did amazing. I think it did okay. That's not very, that's, I don't know, 50 bucks? Somewhere on there. 35 to $49, somewhere on there. Somebody gave it to me. My mother-in-law gave it to me for me to try it. So let me show you how the rims look on the Beamer. I'm going to take you to the wash procedure and show you how clean it gets, and then we'll take it from there. All right? Give me a minute. All right, guys. So I decided to do this angle here so I can focus in. Look at the dirt. Can you see that? Look right here. The wheel barrel is dirty. You know, famous Beamer, Audi, and Volkswagens, they give all this dust on their brakes, but that's okay. Porsche. So before we clean it, we're gonna rinse it to see if this thing comes out, or does it really need a real scrubbing like any other, rim without this protection. Look at all the brake dust coming out. Look at the black water. See it? So, in other words, it does give some protection, but it's not, there's no miracle protection that will stick to this rim, preventing you from getting dirt. Brake dust is still going to get attached to the rim, but I think that it's a good product for you to apply to it to give you extra protection so the wheel doesn't get as dirty as it normally would. There's no magical protection that you're going to apply to the rim and nothing will stick to it. Impossible. Impossible. You got minerals, you got road film, road grime, brake dust buildup, all sorts of things, and it's impossible. If you want your rims to stay clean, the only way is for you to get your rims to stay clean 100% of the time, don't drive your car. See? So let's wash it and see how easy is it to clean it out and how good it comes out. Okay, give me a second, let me get my cleaner. So, sorry. So I've diluted here Quiver Brake. This is starting to be one of my favorites, tire and wheel cleaners. So straight into the rim. This will run you, the Quiver will run you about 30 bucks. I don't know, 25 to 30 bucks. But it's dilutable, and I'm using 4-to-1. You can put in a tire too. Since you are at it, I put in the wheel well too a little bit. Mike used quite a lot there. I know. I'm gonna use this one here so I don't scratch the rim. these rims don't seem like it, but right here around the lug nuts, it collects a lot of brake dust right here, these ends here. And this rim here has a little groove in there, which tends to collect a good amount of brake dust. Clean the back of the rim too. That's where a lot of the brake dust sits. I like this rim where I'm able to stick my hand in there. Now, I really despise when the rims have the wheel spokes so close to each other that there's no room for anything. Yeah, right here, that's where all the dirt usually gets embedded. All right, now let's go back to the tire. Might as well. Yeah, I really like Quiver brake cleaner. The wheel, brake cleaner. The wheel and tire cleaner, sorry. All right, time for the rinse. Let's see how it goes. So Mike, what are your thoughts about it? It's a good product, but as you'll notice, I applied the brake cleaner. There is very little beating on it. Very little, not a whole lot. Would you use it again? I don't know. I think for the price, I'll probably buy a wheel coating instead. That's probably what I would do. I think that will work better because I did a wheel coating on the Boss 02. I did a wheel coating on this Cat Pack. I did the wheel coating on the Escalade, and you know what? It costs a little bit more, but I'm getting much better results. All right, so there you go. There's my review on Soft99 Wheel Dust Blocker. From 0 to 10, I'll give you a 6, maybe 7 if you're lucky. All right, let me finish this up and then I'll give you my final comments. All right, guys, so as you saw, the cleaning of the wheels. I think the product is, from 0 to 10, I'll give it a 6 to 7, because the results that I got from using this almost $50 worth of product, Soft99 Wheel Dust Blocker, I could have gotten from a spray sealant. So I could buy a $11, $12 spray sealant from Suds Lab at Walmart and got pretty much the same result. I didn't see anything major. I think that, and mind you, when I do wash it, I do spray some sort of sealant on top of it sometimes just to give additional protection, which this did not make a whole lot of difference. So, would you buy this again? No. If for the amount of money, I'll put a wheel coating. Geon makes it. Dura Coating makes a really good coating. I even used Panda Organizer 8-year coating on the rims and worked pretty darn good. So, I think that for the money, I didn't like it. Okay, that's my opinion. Remember, I'm not sponsored by anybody. This is my opinion. I bought the product. That's my review on the product. So that's my opinion on it. It might work out great for you, but perhaps maybe different type of brake pads you might have in your rim. So I liked to do this on the Beamer because the brake pads give out so much dust, and I didn't find a better car to try it on. For example, if I tried this on my Escalade, working amazing. Those brakes don't give out any brake dust. That's fine. That's not a problem. But I chose a rim that gets really dirty, really dusty, black buildup from the brake dust, and I thought that would have repelled more. It hasn't. So I don't think it was worth that much. It's more of a hype. Mind you, Soft99 makes amazing products. Their signature wax that they have the for dark color and light color cars. That's amazing. That's out of this world. That's a wax that you can put on. They call it more of a sealant than they call it a wax, but it applies as a wax. It's a paste. That one works amazingly. It will last you 9 to 12 months, okay? And I was hoping for the same on this thing too. But they make great glass sealants, but maybe they have not perfected the wheel product, wheel protection product yet. Remember, BMW wheels are dirty. The wheels get really hot from the braking. Maybe, like I said, on your car, which doesn't have Brembo brakes, doesn't have brake that give out this much dust, brake dust, might work better. Each car is a little bit different. I decided to go to the extreme, and I tried in a car that the rims always get dirty. So that's my opinion for this week, guys. Hope you enjoyed this review. It was a pretty short one. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Mike. This is The Boss Way. I do car review products for detailing. I have one I did it on a phone holder. So I do car reviews. I did several cars, and I'm just a regular guy, a husband, a dad, a brother, and a weekend warrior. I try a lot of car products, and I like to see how they come out, and I put my honest opinion out there. All right. So again, if you're watching this channel, you like the content, please help me grow this channel. Subscribe down at the bottom. Turn the notification bell. I notice a lot of my subscribers don't have the notification bell on because they're not watching my videos. Guys, come on, help me grow this channel. All right, only you can do that. I put out the video, you give me the thumbs up, send me some comments, all right? And if you like car detailing, hey, I got over 125 or 140 videos out down there, and you're gonna see a lot of ceramic coatings, star dressings, spray sealants, vacuums, pressure washers. So I have a lot of reviews out there, and I appreciate you helping me grow this channel. All right, so again, I thank you very much. I'll see you next time. God bless you. Take care.